Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I'm RK. In this video, let's see what is file handling and how to work with files using Python. Here I'm just changing my current working directory using OS module that we learned. Now let's see how to work with files using Python. There are 3 steps: opening a file, reading or writing, and closing a file. To make any changes in files, first we need to open the file. Now I'm opening a text file named sample.txt. Here you can see I doesn't have any file name as sample.txt, so I need to create it. If I use the W here with file name, it means I need to open the file as writable. By using writable format, if the file is not existed, the file will be created. If the file is existed already, the content in the file will be deleted and it will start as new. Now let's enter it. Here you can see the file name as sample is created. Here nothing is in the file. Let's close it. Now let's write some content or lines in the text file. For that we need to use f.write. Here we need to pass some strings. Let's close it and enter. Here it shows how many characters that we passed to a file to write in it. If we need to read the file, we need to open the file in the readable format. But now we are in the writable format. If we try to read it, it will give an error. So before we open the file in readable format, let's close the file now. Close. Here the file is closed. If we try to write some statements or change anything, it will show an error. Let's open the file in readable format. File name as sample.txt. Here we don't need to pass anything like W because the default format is readable format. Now let's try to read each line one by one. By using read line, we can read the content in the file one by one or line by line. Enter. This is the first line in our text file. Here it is. Instead of read line, if we use the read lines, it will display the lines in list format. Here it shows this is an example file and this is created for files. Here it doesn't display name of the file as sample because it is already displayed. Instead of these two, we have another thing is read. By using read, we can display whole content in the file. Here it doesn't display anything because all the content in the file is displayed. Here it displays the first line and here it displays the second and third line. But if we need to display the content in the file, we need to change the position of the pointer. Here you can see while we pass the strings in it, it shows 80 because there are 80 characters that we passed. Now I'm using f.tell. It tells at which place currently the pointer is now. It says the pointer is now at 82. It means it already passed every content in the file. We can change the position of the pointer by using seek. Here we need to pass some integer values like index values. Now I am passing value 7. Now the position of the pointer is changed to 7. Let's try f.tell. It says the position is 7. Now we can read the content in the file. Here it displays the file is sample and remaining things. Here name is 4 and the space is 1 and off is 2. Totally 7. It displays the remaining thing. We have seen readable format and writable format. Let's see append. It means while using writable format, if the file that we are asking is already there, the content in the file will be deleted. But in append, if the file is not there, the file will be created, and if the file is already there, the content that we need to write in the file will be added at the end of the paragraph or lines. Let's open it. Open sample.txt append. Let's enter f.tell. Now I am asking at which point the pointer is now. It's 42. While we are using append, the pointer is directly came to the end. f.write, it's a second example. Let's run it. Here we are passing 20 characters. Let's close the file and open it in readable format. f.close, f equals open sample.txt f.read. Here you can see that it's a second example is added at the end of the previous content in the file. Let's open our text file and see it. Here you can see these are the things that we passed at first, and this is the thing that we passed using append, like open, close, read line, read lines, read, tell, seek. There are lots of methods in file handling. Try it as your own and learn how they are executed. So that's it, guys. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.